हमें इंश्योर करेगी, हमें इस बात की बहुत खुशी है कहने में कि हमारा जो पूरा वेन्यू रहेगा इस बार फॉर आवर डिफरेंटली एबल्ड पीपल, इट विल बी fully accessible venue. So that's one of the first that's also happening in this particular event. As was mentioned, our opening film is going to be it's an utter love story. If you want, you can see the trailer of that movie. It's available on various platforms, on OTT platforms, and it's a hour and a half, right? Yes. And it's been released recently, and so this is the first time this is premiering in India. So I think all of you would love it, and we hope that you all come for that particular film. After that, we have the opening ceremony that's going to be happening tomorrow in the NCPA auditorium, I think right across, and as was mentioned, that movie, the opening event is also going to be featuring in the documentary that won us laurels in the Cannes Film Festival just last month. Coming to the documentaries and the global situation, ladies and gentlemen, it's a huge industry, close to about $16 billion. That's the size of the industry, and the power of these films is not just to entertain for creators to come up with such ideas which can capture the imagination of the world. As was mentioned, besides an opportunity for all of us who have our passion for movies to come and have a look at celebrated works and works that are capturing the imagination across the world. But at the same time, it's also an opportunity and platform for learning. And this year we have also taken a first of its kind initiative to bring in our students who are currently studying in the Film and Television Institute of India or in SRFTI, and also in the Indian Institute of Mass Communication, besides many universities and colleges in all these cities, who will be coming here and would immerse themselves in this festival, and then also go through the entire learning process, because there are a lot of master classes being organized, conferences being organized, workshops being held, and all this would allow our budding filmmakers to learn from each other, learn from the masters, learn from the experts, learn from the legends, learn from those who have already made a mark. And I think this is a hugely significant outcome that we envisage coming out of this. After this festival is done, say 10 days later, we should be in a position to say that, look, through this festival, we have been able to identify top filmmakers, top creators in documentaries, in short films, in animation. A lot of government schemes are there to promote independent filmmakers. As was mentioned, some of the films that have won awards at Cannes have supported. Payal Kapadia's film is actually a co-production between India and France. Part of the money is also going to be given by Government of India as part of our incentive scheme. Similarly, there are other products coming in from our student community which are again being funded. So it again opens an opportunity for many of these creators to make use of this opportunity and make use of the platform. So the whole idea is to create champions for the future and provide them an opportunity to become big. In fact, I am told that Mumbai International Film Festival, the legacy, if you have a look, out of the 17 festivals, there have been many filmmakers who actually started off from Mumbai International Festival, and now these are celebrities in their own spaces.
वॉइस ओवर रहेगा और पीछे क्या हो रहा है बैकग्राउंड में अपार्ट फ्रॉम जस्ट दी डायलॉग्स। एक स्पेशल चीज़ है जो एक क्रॉसओवर नाम की फिल्म है, उसमें एक डांस आर्टिस्ट आएंगी और वो परफॉर्म करेंगी इंडियन साइन लैंग्वेज में, ताकि जो सुन नहीं सकते वो देख रहे हैं उस फिल्म को, वो उस फिल्म को समझ सके, उसके भाव समझ सके। सो दैट इज द काइंड ऑफ इनिशिएटिव जो डिटेल स्क्रीनिंग शेड्यूल है जो सर ने दिखाया, ये ऐप पे भी मौजूद है, ये पोर्टल पे भी मौजूद है, और ये जो अभी आपको एक प्रेस किट दिया जाएगा उसमें भी विल पुट द स्क्रीनिंग शेड्यूल एंड आल्सो द कैटलॉग व्हिच विल एक्सप्लेन अबाउट द फिल्म, जो दूसरा बुकलेट। थैंक यू सर। मैं एक चीज और बोलना चाहूँगा दैट जो सर प्लेटफॉर्म के बारे में कह रहे थे, एम्फसाइज कर रहे थे, I would also like to emphasize कि पायल कपाड़िया was also in MIFF in 2016, sir. She won an award. In 2020 also she was there in MIFF and she won an award, and now she has landed up in Cannes and also made India proud by winning the award there.
Thank you so much for coming out in such great numbers. I'm also very thankful to our secretary for taking